Hello everyone, so this is a quick video to explain exactly why you shouldn't trade when you're on the go. And that is because of your risk to reward and your emotional control. And let's just jump straight into it. So let's say you start the day, you got a busy day and you're on the go. Let's say you enter a buy here on gold, and then you place no stop loss and you place no take profit, and you've gone for a buy to the upside. You check it a few hours later, and let's say your price is now here, you're in profit. Your emotional control is going to take that profit because you see profit and you don't want to lose it, so you take it. And that is a very small bit of profit, in my opinion. So you end up with a little bit of profit. Now, let's say you do that the next day, or you enter in a sell from there. Let's say you enter in a sell from here. You're in a little bit of profit because you took some from earlier. Because you opened your phone, you saw you was in profit, you didn't want to lose it, so you took the profit. Now, let's say you are in sell and you go about your day, you're a bit busy, say you're driving or something, and then you go and check your phone again and you're in drawdown. Now, your emotional control does not want to lose. So if you're in drawdown, you are a lot more likely to leave that as drawdown with a unlimited stop loss. You haven't placed a stop loss. You haven't placed a take profit. Now your brain starts working on survival mode. It tries to get any bit of profit it can, or at least back to break even. So when you see your let's say this is your buy position, and now you're in drawdown. So now you see your buy position in drawdown, you think, hold on, I don't want to lose, I'm going to leave it, I'll come back to it in a bit. You come back to it in a bit and you're further in drawdown, but you don't want to lose your trade, and you don't want to take the loss, because if you lost, then that's it, game over. So then you add more positions. So you add another buy at this level. Now you have two buy positions, both one in big drawdown and one in little drawdown. So then you close your phone for a bit more because you're busy. You go about your day and you'll come back to it later. What happens if it continues going down? You're in a lot more drawdown than you would have been if you just cut your losses. And that's where this kind of trading gets you. You're running on emotion, and that's why it does not work. You are not sticking to your risk to reward, and you are not managing your emotional control because you are running on just emotion. And this is what a lot of people do. So let's look at it from another way. Let's say you bought here and you've gone for a buy. You come back an hour or two later and now you're up here. You're in good profit. And now you think, hold on, yes, but I'm trying to manage my emotions. I'm going to let it go. I've still not got setting a stop loss. And I'm going to let it go more. You come back an hour later and you're more in profit. And you let it go even more. Now let's say you take that profit and you've got a big bit of profit from there. Now you're feeling good. You're still feeling emotions when you're trading, because you've won, you're feeling good, that's a good day. But now you're likely to over trade because you are running on emotions. You basically feel like you're having a good day. So let's say you go for a sell trade. In this sell trade, you're more likely to over risk. You're still not using any take profit or stop loss, and you're still coming back to it later on to check on it. Now let's say you come back to it, you add another sell trade because you're got a bit in profit, you're having a good day. So you add another trade, you're over lotting your positions, you're risking too much, and then you come back to it later on and you're fully in the red up here. Both is in drawdown. You are in double drawdown because you over risked on your sell, because you got overconfident because you thought you was having a good day. You'd already made profit, And that is where people go wrong. They let their emotions control their trading. They don't have any kind of risk management or emotional discipline. And people see this as just a normal way of trading, and obviously you can't do it like this. You have to be sitting down, you have to work out exactly what you're doing, where you're entering, where you're placing your stop loss, because where you place your stop loss and you take profit will give you a nice risk to reward, and that will go in favor with your strategy that you have back tested and you repeat every day once you see confirmations. This kind of trading is fully emotional and should be avoided, and that is what most traders suffer to identify and then fix. And that's what I plan to do on this channel, give you more sort of videos that will help you with that kind of learning. So take care and goodbye.